You know Marcus has $511,000 in his safe. But what you don't know is, he literally did nothing to earn it. Meanwhile, Jack spent 3 hours a day staring at stock charts, trying to time the market, chasing the next big crypto. And he lost half his money. If you are terrified of losing your hard-earned cash in the volatile stock market, or if you think investing is only for Wall Street guys in fancy, overpriced suits, this video is going to change your life today. I'm exposing the lazy wealth system. Strategy so insanely simple, it beats 90% of professional hedge fund managers, and it takes exactly 5 minutes to set up. Let's dive in. Let's look at Jack. After realizing his spending habits were destroying him, Jack decided to get into investing. But he fell into the ultimate trap, active stock trading. Jack treats the stock market like a casino. He buys a random tech stock because some random guy on the internet said it would go to the moon on Reddit. 2 days later, the market drops 5%. Jack panics, his heart is racing. He sells everything at a massive loss and swears the whole system is a scam. This is the painful trap of stock picking. You are playing a rigged game against Wall Street supercomputers. Every time you try to guess the top or the bottom of the market, you are bleeding money through trading fees and destructive emotions. Jack didn't buy real assets, he just bought pure stress. He became a slave to the charts, checking his phone every 5 minutes, watching his hard-earned savings evaporate now. Let's look at Marcus. Marcus doesn't read financial news websites. He doesn't spend hours looking at stock charts. He uses the lazy 500 rule, also known as an S&P 500 index fund. Instead of trying to find the one winning stock, the impossible needle in the haystack, Marcus just bought the entire haystack. By putting his money into an index fund, Marcus automatically owns a tiny fraction of the 500 most powerful companies in America. He owns a piece of Apple, a piece of Microsoft and Nvidia, and the biggest corporations on earth. And here is the genius part of the system. If one company underperforms or goes bankrupt, the index automatically kicks them out and replaces them with a new winner. You don't have to lift a single finger. It is a self-cleansing wealth machine. Marcus let the greatest CEOs in the world work hard for him every single day while he sleeps peacefully at night. He doesn't worry about bad economic news or politics or market crashes because he knows over the long term, the global market always goes up. He chose automation over anxiety. He chose math over emotion. And that is why his safe keeps growing. And the math is completely undeniable. Historically, the S&P 500 index returns around 8 to 10% every single year. While Jack was paying massive trading fees and losing sleep over red market arrows, Marcus's money was quietly compounding. By consistently investing that same amount every single month, whether the market was crashing or booming, compound interest did the heavy lifting. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, the progress looks slow, but after 5, 10, or 20 years, the growth becomes explosive. That is the $511,000 secret. It's not about being a financial genius. It's about being consistently lazy. But listen to me very carefully. Knowing about index funds is only half the battle. If you open the wrong type of investment account, the government will legally take up to 30% of your profits in heavy hidden taxes. You could lose hundreds of thousands of dollars just by clicking the wrong button on your app. In episode 3, I am going to share my screen and show you the exact step-by-step click-through of how to set up a completely tax-free account so the tax man can't touch a single dime. You do not want to miss this vital step. Hit that subscribe button right now, and I'll see you there.